Transfusion. Blood transfusion, it means the replace of blood. During the blood transfusion, a healthcare professional will place a small needle into the vein, usually in the arm or hand. The blood then moves from a bag through a rupture tube and into the person's vein through the needle. They will carefully monitor the vital signs throughout the procedure. The clinical significance of the blood transfusion. The blood transfusion today is a major medical service that is rendered to the patient needing replacement of the whole blood of the blood component. Major of the developments in the field of the blood transfusion have occurred since from the beginning of the Second World War. During this period, the transfusion of the blood and the blood product has become accepted as a routine and relatively safe procedure in the management of the patient. And the blood bank tries to select a donor's blood that will be compatible with the recipient's blood. The recipient's plasma should not have any reactive antibody towards the red cells of the donor, which may lead to the vein agglutination or hemolysis of the donor's RBC. And the compatible blood grouping. During the blood transfusion, an identical ABO grouping of the donor is ideal. However, on the other hand, the group can also be used. Persons belonging to the blood group O negative are the universal donor, as O negative does not contain any antigen in the cell. On the other hand, those with the blood group AB positive are universal recipient. They will accept the blood from any kind of blood grouping person. Cross matching. Collect a patient sample and a donor sample into two test tubes respectively, one in the EDTA container and other in the blank container. After half an hour, separate the serum and the cell for growth from blank tube. Perform of the blood grouping both patient and the donor, and then cell wash. Take a small test tube 12 into 75 mm. Take 20 to 50 drops of blood from EDTA blood, and then the procedure is add normal saline. It is done.